Well, folks, take a look now back at that Oklahoma City camera from our sister station down there. And again, downtown should be right here. You can kind of make out some of the buildings out there faintly on the distance. And you know what? They've got a lot of snow out there. Expected to see a couple inches. This is the type of snow that's coming our direction, except our snow is mostly going to be overnight. So you might wake up Friday morning and see something kind of like this, okay? Snow still falling, snow covering the ground. So that's where the snow system is right now. Looking at satellite and radar, here it is, the heaviest of the snow. Oklahoma City down I-35 towards Dallas. Heavy snow there in North Texas. And this is all slowly creeping from the southwest, and this will get into southwest Missouri, northwest Arkansas late this afternoon, probably 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. Springfield probably looking at snow 5 p.m. or afterwards, okay, for later this afternoon. So your evening commute should be okay, but if you're leaving later this evening and really tonight, if you're driving out there tonight into Friday morning, it'll be a little dicey. Roads snow covered. No ice with this, but accumulation of snow is likely overnight tonight. So right now, clouds have moved in, high clouds, moving across the area as the snow advances this way. 27 degrees in Springfield. Guess what? We are over 90 hours of below freezing temperatures, and we're still below freezing now. With the clouds coming in, it might be a struggle to get above freezing again for today. We'll try to get there, going for 33 degrees now for the afternoon. But again, the clouds kind of making it tough for us. We'll be in the upper 20s to near 30 overnight tonight. So winter storm warnings for the counties in pink, winter weather advisory for the counties in purple. They've actually extended that winter storm warning into central Oklahoma back towards the Texas Panhandle to account for that heavier snow we just saw on that camera. So this is in play for tonight into your Friday morning, and then the snow will start to wrap up going into Friday afternoon. So I think, again, Springfield timeline, 4, 5 p.m., light snow begins to move in from the west, and then I think it'll be a moderate snow as we go into the overnight hours. Maybe after 7 p.m., I'd say snow showers pretty guaranteed. So looking at Futurecast, 4 p.m., snow starts moving in from southwest Missouri, northwest Arkansas. Again, Springfield probably around 5, if not after 5, for the first signs of snow showers to move in. Through the night, tonight, into Friday morning, 7 a.m. Friday, bulk of the snow is off toward the east of Highway 65. Flurries back to the west, and we'll see flurries hang around through the daytime Friday and still be cloudy and kind of chilly for Friday. How much snowfall? Well, in the darker blue, we'll do 3 to 5 inches of snow. That's mostly along and south of Highway 60. A little less amounts farther northward, 1 to 3 inches area-wide, a widespread 1 to 3 inches north of Highway 60, and then a band, yes, of heavier snow down across central and southern Arkansas. Impacts from this, again, roads will likely be snow-covered. Don't expect roads to be closed, though. There will be a few school closures, though, as we go into Friday morning. Already seeing a couple of those being issued now. So as we go into Friday night, we'll be 19 degrees. Not much melting Friday, but anything that does melt will freeze and become black ice. For Saturday morning, we'll do it again Saturday night, Sunday morning. So next couple mornings, yeah, snowy tomorrow, and then watch out for some black ice as we freeze and refreeze for the next several mornings. Angela?
Something to definitely be aware of when you're heading out the door in the mornings. Thanks, Tom.